Hi, how are you?
Hi, sir.
Yeah, hi. So today I would like to explain about the SAC. So SAC it is one of the product, one of the module in big right SAP is one of the product. In the product we have a lot of modules is there. In that modules we have one module is SAC. SAC it is a SAP Analytic Cloud. So this is the
Ravindra, excuse me, can you speak little louder, please?
sure.
Yeah, sorry for that. Yeah.
Yeah, it's okay, no problem. 1 minute. I can check my earphones.
Hello.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, are you here?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, okay. So what I am explaining to you. So SAP is the one of the product, big product. So now everyone, I mean, business, I mean, it's very big product. So yeah, everyone is using to the business. So for that, we have like a lot of modules is there. In that, I would like to explain about one module is SAC. It's a SAP Altic Cloud. So now I'm sharing my screen. I think everyone, are you able to see my screen, right?
Yeah.
Okay. See, first of all, welcome to our session. And see, we have first this the introduction. So SAC introduction, it is it is a analytic cloud. Just now I explain you, right? This is the one of the like a new generation of the like an SAC SaaS. So SaaS is like software as a service, and it is a built. It's a like SAP cloud platform, and here we have it's a mainly we are on premise and promise on premises. So in SAC, it's a mainly work on to the URL based only. So no need to install the application and that. So you just go through the through HTTP servers only. We have to go and we have to log in and we have to create the reports and you have to build the reports. Everything we have to do it in through SAC like an on premise and on premises. And we have capabilities like we have to prepare the model and on premise, and we have to design and visualize our data and create the plans, and we have to consolidate. We have the organization performance, and we have one more is benefits. So is the what is the main benefit here, we have to, it's a cloud based. So no need to desktop, I just know, right? So no need to install any an application and servers. So just go through the through URLs only. We have to log in and we have to give the username and password, then it will be open. And it is we have to reduce the data or integration of the multiple point solutions, everything it will be benefits. And coming to our overview strategy. So what is the strategy and how will it will goes to the SAC, we have to mainly have to use the cover we have to use the data visualization and we have to application design and planning for standalone SAP S4 HANA and cloud apps. And one more is augmented analytics for all analytic users. And this is the one of the, it's a clean picture for framework for our SAC. We have three key components we have. One more is intelligent suite, and one more is a digital platform, and one more is intelligent technologies. So these three components only we have to, based on the framework only it will work to the SAC. So coming to we have a digital platform. In digital platform, it will be here we have data management and cloud platform. So in data, this is C, this is a data management and cloud platform. So in digital platform, right, QRA, I mean UPI, everyone is paying, right? So phone pay and Google Pay, like that, we have to scan. And one more is like an integrated intelligent technologies, like we are using the artificial intelligence and machine learning and analytics. And one more is intelligent suite. So here we have like customers and networks and people engagement and digital code like that. This, and one more is the manufacturing for the supply chain products. So this is the entire framework for SEC. And one more is like this is the like SAP cloud platform, like it's a boardroom. Here we have like one of the hub is there, and here business intelligence and planning and predictive and application design. So here for this is the like a SAP digital boardroom. We have like four components, like intelligence and planning and predictive and application design. And coming to SAP cloud platform, we have like an on-premise and hybrid, and one more is the cloud. And coming to like we have like intelligent decisions like with the SAP Analytics Cloud. So here we have right, everything. I mean, nowadays everyone, we are looking to our data like clear picture, and we have to see the like graph wise, and we have to look into the charts wise. Like that we have to use the we have this is the one of the reporting tool also we have to consider. And one more, right, SAP business subjects. This is the one of the BO. So compared to BO, it's SAC is the best one. Why? Mean it's a SAC, it is a like it's analytics cloud, and it is like the users, everyone like easily they will access to the our reports. And compared to it's a BO, it will take the time, and it is like this is also one of the reporting tool, but compared to BO, it's SAC is a better one. And here
So
we have
most of the Ravindra, most of the nowadays is a cloud platform, right?
yeah.
So most of them they migrated to the cloud platform. So whatever the you pull the data into analytics part through the data source, whatever you have using the
Yeah.
cloud platform, right? So
Yes.
WhatsApp is more different than other analytica. I was working on Power BI, so in the cloud platform because they use Azure cloud in the Power BI.
Yeah.
So
See, yeah, it's a Power BI. This is the like a different. This is the one of the reporting also we have to use. That's right. And Power BI, and one more is like BO also But SAC so for Power BI and as well as the BO, we need to install the servers. That's right. And SAP, I mean like SAC, no need to install any servers, and no need to install the like any application. Just by using the URLs only, we have to run that. We have to prepare our
how you pull the data to these sources, like you need to do any analytics part, how it works?
yeah, we have used like we stories and canvases. We have like we have to use the data sources. Like I will explain. I will share my
Okay,
one more screen.
okay.
Yeah, I will show it.
So continue. Just I got doubt. Okay.
No. I will show you to the screen. Then that is very easy to you understand. Yeah. So this is the one of the our SAC cloud platform, and this is the one of the C. This is like URL based on I just create that create the portal for you guys only just now only. I mean like before half an hour I was created, and I will show it to for you.
Yes,
So
yes.
just now you asked, right, Anand, so how
Yeah,
you pull the data. So by using the
yeah.
stories, we have to pull the report, pull the data, like by using the responsive and as well as the canvas, and we have to use the grid and as a smart discovery. But we won't use smart discovery, because many people we are using the grid and as well as canvas and responsive page. So these are all the main three stories we have to create, and we have to build the reports.
Sorry to
Okay.
interrupt, sir. Are you sharing any other screen? Because we are seeing your PPT only.
Oh, is it? I shared my
Yeah.
screen. I think Anand, you see, right, my screen.
No, that is you showing the slide bar on the side of the screen, not the main screen. You didn't pull as the main screen.
Oh, is it?
Yeah.
Mhm.
Oh, I'm so sorry. Again, I will say. Again, I share my screen. Now, are you able to see, right?
No. Yeah.
Yeah. See,
But
Mm.
you are saying screen sharing option, not which screen you are select the screen.
Yeah, this is the one only.
No, no, no. You are showing the templates files canvas screen. Is it the one?
Yeah, this is the one.
Or you showing the flow of the
Flow
this
of the,
one?
yes, for just now you asked, right? So how to fill the
Yeah, yeah.
data.
Okay.
So this is the our entire picture. This is the like an SAC, see SAP Analytics Cloud. This is the URL based. So this is like an URL I have just created for you guys, just half an hour before only. See, just I will go through like PPT, so you are not understand, right? So that's the reason. For that only, I just create for a one account and I will show it to you. See, nowadays you're Anand, you told, right? So nowadays everyone business we are looking to the like we'll see that our report is like graph wise, and as well as we'll see the like charts wise, right? So this is
Yeah,
report,
charts, pie chart,
pie chart, bar
bar
charts,
chart, everything.
everything. Yeah, so this is like that we have to review our data. See, this is the say state wise and country wise, we'll see that data. This is the one of the templates we have to use, and this is our
SAP Analytics is more of often to help in the ERP solution levels, right? Then,
exactly.
so not on like a standalone system, like each and small industry have their own Power BI system. All the same, no,
Yeah.
most of them they don't go for SAP Analytics. The huge industry may go for manufacturing industry, something like that.
Yes.
So you know, on the scenario, if you look that part, so going back in from the entering through the back door to the front door, it looks like that.
Yeah, yeah, correct. See, that's whatever you said, Anand. It's really that's nowadays it's going good. Same thing only. But compared to our based on our projects, we are doing right, front and
No,
back.
no. Basically, what happens is that I feel like to when I discuss with your this thing, I was worried about to go for implementation levels. You know, I
Okay,
was to get into the implementation part.
okay.
So because product implementation, so what happening is that I'm getting little bit more offer to the implementation product implementation
Yeah.
like monday.com and healthcare product like that, but I was to get into the more of implementation situations using interface to this level, you know, like they understand the business how they're forecasting through those things, you know, so that makes them to train them to understand their business forecast through the implementation level. I was try to doing that.
Oh, is it? Okay. Yeah. Anything, Anand, you want?
No, 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 I was just asking, you know, sorry to disturb
No,
you,
no,
my
no.
other
It's no. It's
co-work,
correct.
other also guy, other person is also on training. I don't want to bother him also, right? It's not
No, no,
nice.
no. Because right everything. So now I mean Power BI anyway. You have Power experience and Power BI, right? So how to create the like templates and all, right? So I
Yeah,
think
yeah, yeah.
Nirmit. Nirmit, you have experience? You are fresher or experienced?
Sir, I'm fresher in analytics cloud.
Oh, is it? Okay, good. No problem. So, but compared to I mean, you and Anand, he have like an experience and in Power BI. No
Yes,
problem.
no,
But
sir.
I will give it to you end to end and starting how you create the like files and create the stories. Everything I will explain to you. Okay. Okay.
Okay,
Now,
sir.
yeah, I will go to the PPT. So, Anand, did you have any doubts? Because I will close this. I mean, server. I mean, this tool. Then I will go to
Go
the
ahead.
PPT.
No, you go in the flow. Just only doubt comes, we need to ask you, nothing else.
Oh, is it? Okay, no problem. So now, are you able to see right PPT?
Yeah.
PPT you are seeing, right?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
No, sir.
No,
Okay. PPT are you seeing, right?
No, sir. I'm seeing the
the file names.
Oh, file names. Okay, no problem. I will share my screen PPT. Now,
yes, sir.
Yeah.
okay. See now, just I explained you, right? So this is the like we'll see the like
good view like a like a bar charts, pie charts, right? So for that we have one is we have three components like complete and contextual and confident. Coming to we'll see how from data intelligence and everything you need to we have to follow the one flow one experience and from data to intelligence and for all decision types. And coming to it's a contextual. So before I explain you, right, so we have three components, so complete and contextual and confident. So complete mean we have whichever we have to data, so that everyone everything you need to complete completing the task data. So contextual, it's like an action to the business process. And confidential, whichever we have to make decision, so that is we have to confidential, we have to maintain the data. See, contextual. So this is the one of the we have to maintain the data to secure our business process. See, it's a modeling. So we have one more is there. And confident. So just now I explained to confident. So whenever whichever we have to create the data, so that reports we have to maintain confidential. We are maintaining the, so because confident means we are not we are doing confidential of the data like our company. So we are not exploring to the everyone, right? So I think right, Anand. So this is the confidential data.
Yeah, you restrict the data
Yeah,
information
to
to
restrict the
the
data information from our company to company. If it's
yeah,
if you explore to our different company, so it is impacted our entire project, right?
correct.
Yeah. So coming to we are creating the modelings. So why we are creating the modelings? So modeling mean we have we have three types of modelings, like embedded versus to public, and analytics to planning, and acquired to the live. So it's a model why we are to like a foundation of a foundation to the data explanation for SAC, and it's a representation of the business data and organized to our business segments. So for example, we are creating the one model, so that entire we have to view the our data into the model wise by using the public or planning or live or embedded or acquire and analytics. These model types are we have to use, and we have to create the models. And one more is like a connectivity. So connectivity we
What
have,
model is this? The data model?
yeah, it's a model, it's a data model. So that is the data model like in a SAC model.
Mm-hmm.
For
Is
example,
this star schema is applicable here?
yeah, it this also it will applicable star schema. And but here we have to creating the models only. We are not exploring to the entire model star models and but we just use that model, but we are not work on to the projects. And one more is connectivity. So connectivity, why we are using the connectivity, we have to schedule the data, and we have to schedule the data, and we have to connect the connections, live connections, and all we have to for example, we have BPC and BW and SQL and DBD database, like that we have to use the connectivity, right? In Power BI we have to connect the SCC also we have to
Yeah.
sorry, SAP HANA also we have to connect, and one more is BO also we have to connect, like that, right? We have how to
When you
connect the
do,
data.
yes, when you do ETL process, it get connect.
Yes, correct. So by using the ETL, so ETL, it is like an extraction, transformation, unloading. So that's right, Anand.
Yeah.
And Nirmit, so yeah, I can explain your ETL also, how it will goes to the ETL process, and all I will explain to you in once coming to the our session.
Okay, sir.
And one more is live connection. So live connections to SAP HANA. So just now I explained to you, right, how to connect the SAP HANA and all. So live connection. By using the live connections, we have to support the data sources like SAP HANA and BW, and one more BPC and universes. I think Anand, right, universe.
We connect to the SQL data sources. That's all we do.
How is it? I think Power BI also you were using like universes, right? So in
Yeah,
based
UVers, yeah, UVers, yeah. Because on advanced method, we use the UVers in the basic running flow. We don't go for much UVers. And when you do app build, we use the UVers.
is it? So yeah, universes. We are using the universe. It's a main. Just now I explained, right? BO, one of the reporting tool, business objects. So that reporting tool we have to use the universe only. It will work.
Okay, and one more is a third party through the partnership. So we use
Sir, what is BPC?
so business planning. So business planning, this is the one of the this is the one of the source data. So we are not using, but mainly we are using the HANA only we are connecting. So BW sometimes we are connecting.
What is the full form of BW?
So business warehouse.
Okay.
Yeah. And one more is we have like an application demo. So that's I will explain to you. And collaboration. So how to collaborate the we have to save the stories and save the access and add the comments. For example, Anand, you create the one in Power BI, you create the one charts and graphs. So that for that we have to give the comments, right?
Yeah,
Yeah.
you need to highlight the.
We need to highlight the comments
yeah.
and give the access and to save the
Yeah.
stories also. And we have to export the options like like a PDF or Google Slides we'll give, right? So like that bookmarking. So like that
Yeah.
we have to same option, so that it will be collaboration in the option. And SAC security also we give the a folder level, and right.
No, we use
Higher.
the bookmark when we do assign for the different department. We go
Yeah.
for the bookmark to continue that process again. Like
Yeah.
I complete one level of functions, then assign to you next. I put in a bookmark.
How easy. So I'm just explaining to you. So bookmark also we have to use.
Yeah, we use
Yeah.
there too.
Yeah. And one more is SaaS security. So security here, right, the levels, right, hierarchies. Anand.
Yeah, hierarchies. Yeah.
Yeah. So hierarchies, why we have to use the hierarchies? If you want to see the high level high level to bottom level, bottom to high level. So that's for that we have to use the hierarchies. For that we have to in security also we have to use the SAC folder level, and as well as story level sharing access control we have to use. And we have to use the options like model security and user roles and custom roles and dimension level secrets, right, dimension and measure, right, Anand?
Yes, dimension
Yeah.
measures. Yeah.
Yeah, because dimension measure only every project will run, right?
Oh, it's very tough issue.
Yeah, no problem. I will explain to you. And see, one more is the SAP digital boardroom. So this is the boardroom is there before I explain you, right? We have to create the stories and models and brings content across to different access and responsive layout. And is two types of digital boardrooms like agenda and presentation. So right, agenda and presentation, Anand. So
Yeah,
agenda.
ascend and descend. Yeah, ascend and descend both we have.
Yeah. And Nirmit, I will explain to you, Nirmit. So what we explained to you, and then I will give you. Okay, this is the boardroom. So just now we explained, right? So this is the
Yeah.
this is the kind of it's a digital boardroom. I think right, Anand. So you were in your project. You were seeing like this the digital room.
It is an overview.
Yeah, this is the overview. And so one more. Nirmit, right? So you are a fresher, but entire boardroom it will be look like.
Okay, sir.
Yeah, so how it will go act as the moment and driven to the insight, and what if situations we have to do it, how to implement our project, everything collaboration interaction I will explain to you. And one more is the planning models. This is the it's a nowadays it's a very many projects we are using the planning models. In in SSC we have three types reports like a planning, and one more is a reporting and modeling. So but we our content we are going to the planning only. So planning, how to create the planning models, like that I will explain to you by using the key by using the SAC analytics models and planning models. That is I will explain to you end to end. And one more is one of the charts overview of the budgeting and planning and forecasting. So right, the budgeting, my Anand.
Yeah, line chart.
Line charts. Nirmit, I think you're done BTech, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So for example, BTech. So it is the one of the value and today value. For example, value is the BTech and today is the result. So this is the IT branch, this is the CSC branch, this is the EC branch, this is the civil branch. So we have to see the how many students in IT is the 90% and CSE is the 80% and civil is the 30%. Like that we'll go by you by this chart line chart only we'll get the all the people how
We
the
called
people.
y-axis and x-axis.
Yes, y-axis and x-axis. So this is the based on the y-axis and x-axis only we will get horizontal and vertical lines, right? And this is the based on this line chart only we'll get the our like budgeting or planning and forecasting. So like coming to your your example like results. So this is the budgeting is the like a student this budgeting is the results and planning is the students and forecasting is the entire results it will come. Are you getting my point, Nirmit?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. And this is the capability like a plan simple. So how we'll like collaborate to the entire like an SAC, like a rich modeling and the full and top down and bottom planning and multi models and what if simulations and the private versions and driver based planning and predictive forecasting and performance reporting and Excel integrations. These are all the we have to capability we have to support the entire planning. This is the like now how to like use the like data entry and version management. This is the like in application we'll get
How the plugin works with this data migration and compatibility with those, this thing is through the HANA.
yeah, by using the HANA only.
Hmm.
Yeah, right. So nowadays HANA, yes, for HANA every project will work because it's advanced one.
Yeah.
Yeah, so this is the like representative of the like tree model. This is the like how it goes to the net profits and cost and revenue and sales and stock exchange everything. So like on Nirmit, this is the one of the example for like this is the engineering and this is the result. This is the percentage and this is the like branches, like this is the branch CSC IT, like that it will come. So this is the one of the tree structure of the your engineering students. So this is how to create the models and this is the planning enable. So this option I will explain to you. This is like this is the setting up the like a data sources. These are all data sources. You right, Anand, you asked right which data sources you asked. This is the one of the options. So in data sources we have to click and we use the 3 axes: preferences and variables and data access. By using the data access only we have to pull the data.
Yeah. Same almost. Data
Yeah.
access, go to data warehouse, it is the data access.
Same. Yeah, so preferences is settings like this is like auditing privacy and currency. This is right everything and pre-converted actuals everything. So same only, and compared to Power BI and this one SAC, it's a more advanced to the SAC.
Yeah. But this product is in only in one level of operation. I don't see in every angle. Like if you
Right.
go Power BI, you
Power
can go
BI,
each and every company.
yeah, each and every company they are using,
Yeah,
but
because what happens when the company buy the Microsoft product,
yeah,
the whole family they buy from Word, Excel, Azure Cloud, and their CRM, everything they buy to install in their company. So what happens? They require their teams to work on these parts with the whole Azure, Microsoft products, right?
yeah,
So that's the reason they choose to buy install a Microsoft whole product, almost keep it at 365 in their company. So what happens? Most of the little company go for SAP for one person. But when you buy a whole Microsoft, I can run my company with Microsoft products, right?
yes. So that's the reason. So see in Power BI, I mean all the companies we are using. So for that we are using like you have to install the servers and we have to install the applications for that. But compared to SAC, no need to install any applications. Just go to the URL and it will work right.
Yeah,
So that's the
because
one
it connect to the
big.
cloud directly cloud. That is
It's
the
directly
reason.
we will connect the like cloud, but Power BI we won't connect to the cloud, right? So that's the
No,
main difference.
because the Power BI operation is different because you set up maintained in a raw method of your maintaining a file in Excel. I need to import that to the SQL server. Then I clean the data. Then I migrate to the Power BI. So there is a process to do that, right?
Yes, but
So
here no need to
so
any process.
yeah, that's all it
Directly
is.
we
Yeah,
have to connect that.
yeah.
Yeah, and here see one more is like we have to create the dimensions and measures, right, Anand. So this is the we have to create the how to create the new dimensions and existing dimensions like that we have to creating.
Yeah.
I think your project also you are running dimensions,
Yeah,
measures.
we need to. Yeah. So we have
Yeah.
multi dimensions are there.
Yeah, we have multi dimensions and the star schemas, everything. But here
Yeah.
it will come, but not that much.
Yeah, yeah.
But yeah. So like dimensions, everything we have to create. Right, mapping options. How to create the mappings by using the one dimension to another dimension mapping,
Data mapping. Yeah, data
data
mapping.
mapping,
Mm.
and planning models. So this is the planning model. So I will explain to you. This is the one of the SAP Analytics designer. So how we have to design the by using the application, by using the application designing. So
Yeah,
that I will explain.
one to many, many to one. The option is there.
Yes, that is B2B business also we have to run.
Yeah.
And one more is our stories. Before I will see I will show you to our tool stories canvases.
Mm.
This is so how to create the stories, how to create the applications. This is our entire SAC project. How to create the fundamentals and like that and this is we have to extensions, like we have to know by using the extensions components and custom way widgets, everything we have to create. So this is and this is, and I will show you to you one more screen is yeah, yeah, see this is our are you able to see my screen, right?
You're showing the file.
Yeah, are you able to see my screen, right? This is SAC SAP and cloud.
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Mm.
See, this is our application. This is a home page. See, right, catalogs, favorites, and to I mean, why we are using the filters and all, right? So this is entire picture. How it will comes to the whichever we are creating the stories. Okay, by using the responsive and canvases and grid, so that it will comes to it will be display in the our entire home page. Whichever we have to create the reports, it will be displayed. See here, I just create.
Yes.
See, yeah,
It is a main screen of the
yeah.
this
This is
one.
the main screen. It's a very blue color and as well as navy blue. It's a very good looking. See, this is we are created. So yeah. So this is we are creating the reports. Whichever we creating the by using the stories, it will be created. It will be displayed here. Okay, and this is the analytic applications.
So how you clean the data and make upload to the create this analytical part? How you do that?
Yeah, we are doing. So we have to
Mm.
cloning, we have to use, right? So that we have to do it. See, right, bookmarks. Before I explain you, right, bookmarks, how
Yeah.
to get bookmarks and custom widgets.
Mm.
So last screen I explained it by using the applications and bookmarks and custom widgets will the entire work, it will be working.
Mm.
And this is the data analyzer. And this is the data sets, and one more options we have like a model. Before I explain it, models we are using based on the model. It's a modeler.
Correct.
And data actions and applications and predictive scenarios and multi actions and this is the calendar, right, calendar, how why we are using the calendar. So why we are using the mainline calendar, if you want to see the sales revenue for last 2 years or last year, by using the calendar dates only we are viewing the city wise and country wise and state wise sales revenue, we have to look into the by using the calendar option. And one more is workspace management, how the workspace management option it will work. So whichever we have to create the reports, that it will be displayed here. And one more is and the security. So this is, right, security, right, Anand? So your projects we are using users and teams, roles, requests, and data changes and activities. So that's I will explain to you. See, user we have to manage your reports, and teams mean it's entire team. If you want add the people, then we have to use the teams option. And roles, why you are using the role, it we have to assign the role for the particular user. And request mean why you are using the request, whichever we have to assign the role, for that we have to requesting. And data changes, if you want to change the data, and if you want to view the data, for that we have to use. And one more is activities, to upgrade the views and activities we have to use. And this is the one more is transport. Yeah, you were asking transportation, how we will do that transportation, that by using the export and import options, we have to transport our data.
It is a kind of ETL.
Yeah, it is one of the ETL tool. See, whichever we have to create that reports, that we have to click on that report and go to the transport and click on the export or import. This is our account, and this is the connections. So these are all the entire our. See, in coming to your free trailer version, here we see the only some options only we will see. Are you able to see here only? But coming to server, we'll server access we'll get so there we'll see the all the options it will come. For example, I will minimize. So, but some options it won't be able to. You are not able to see. But if I minimize the.
Sir, your voice is not audible.
If I maximize our screen, some options you won't see. But if minimize our screen, it will be view all the points we'll see. See, these are all the options we'll see. Okay, Anand, are you get my point? And admit.
Yeah. I'm looking.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So this is, if you have any doubts, please let me know. So I will go it and I will explain. Once we will go through the our training session, then we will understand these are all the options. I will explain one by one. I will give it to you.
The same thing. It's a SAP analyst, and there it is data analyst. Nothing else.
Yeah, nothing is there. But advantage is it's a cloud based.
Yeah, cloud based. Yes.
Okay. Okay, Anand and Nirmit, the I mean this that is my side.
Cool. Appreciate
Okay.
Rajendra. It was so nice, and it was so informative. I am really happy that WhatsApp analytics I understand with the through Power BI method.
In Power BI, we'll see some of the points, some of the topics it will cover. Some of the topics we won't create, like Canvas stories. It won't be there.
Yeah. See, same thing. It is like a 3-bedroom house, 4-bedroom house.
Yeah, exact. I won't give because I'm very experienced, right? So I will give more. But he's a fresh, right? I need to explain to pin, right? It's like spoon feeding. I have to give it to him. I think that is also better to you. Whenever I giving the spoon feed to him, so that's you are easily capture the data and capture the topics and all. Correct?
Yeah.
Okay. Thank you, guys. Thank you so much. That's
Thank you,
it from my
Rajendra.
hand.
Thank you so
Thank you,
much.
sir.
Yeah,
Thank you.
Srijan. So Suraj.
Yeah, hi. Yeah.
Yeah, that's it. My end.
Okay. So, Nirmal, do you have any question for Ravindra sir?
No, sir. Right now, I don't have any questions. So, like, I am new to this, so it will take some time for me. Like, when we will start the training, so
Definitely.
slowly I'll understand.
Yes. Actually, Nirmit has completed one more module. Which module you were saying me that which module you have completed?
PP module.
Okay, PP. Yeah, he has completed the PP module as well. And like with PP module, he's looking for SAC as well.
Yeah. Okay. No
Okay.
problem. And Nirmit, I will give it to you and spoon feed for you. And how you studied in your BTech, so there like that, I will give it to you. Spoon feed.
Okay, sir. Okay.
Okay.
Okay. Yeah. So we can end the session. That I don't have any question for you. I think the Mr. Anand